Hello madam and gentlemen, good morning. Today, I'll teach you how to make a delicious fruit salad with natural yogurt. It is a refreshing and healthy recipe, perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy a tasty and nutritious snack or dessert. To start, you will need the following ingredients: 2 bananas, 1 apple, 1 orange, 1 out of 2 papaya, 1 pot of natural yogurt, honey to taste, granola, optional. Now let's go to the preparation mode. First, wash and peel the fruit. Cut the bananas, apple and papaya into small cubes and the orange into segments. Then put the berries in a bowl and mix gently. Then add the natural yogurt to the bowl and mix well with the fruits. Sweeten with honey to taste and stir again. If you want to add a crunchy touch, sprinkle granola on top of the salad. Ready! Your fruit salad with natural yogurt is ready to be served. It's a healthy and delicious option for any time of the day. Fruit salad with natural yogurt is a healthy and nutritious dessert, which has many health benefits. Some of them are: rich in nutrients. Fruit salad is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that are essential for the proper functioning of the body. Source of fiber. The fruits in the salad contain fiber that helps improve intestinal transit and keep you feeling full. Improves digestion. The natural yogurt in the salad contains probiotics that help improve intestinal health and digestion. Helps with blood sugar control. The fruits in the salad contain natural sugars that are slowly absorbed by the body, helping to keep blood sugar levels in check. Contributes to weight loss. Fruit salad is a healthy and low-calorie option, which can be useful for those looking to lose weight or maintain weight. Source of energy. Fruits contain carbohydrates, which are an important source of energy for the body. Therefore, fruit salad with natural yogurt is a healthy and delicious option to include in your daily diet and get all these health benefits. Don't forget to like this video, comment what you think of the recipe and subscribe to our channel to receive more cooking tips like this one. And if you liked this recipe, I'm sure you'll love my Healthy Recipes ebook. Just click on the first link in the description to get yours. There are more than 30 delicious and easy-to-make recipes at home that will make your diet much healthier and tastier. So don't waste time, click now and get your ebook.